Good morning, dear aspirant. So, Brent oil price may rise to $97 in 2024. So, slowing down of non-OPEC's growth and also underproduction from several countries due to structural constraints. These all lead to the oil prices increases. So, Brent oil means that originate from oil fields in the North Sea between the Shetland Islands and Norway. Oils are relatively light, but Brent has slightly higher API gravity. That is, API means American Petroleum Institute gravity, which is an indicator of the density of crude oil. So the Brent crude price is the international benchmark price used by OPEC. Already this have been asked in the previous year. Brent crude oil is frequently referred in news. What does this term imply? The basic they have been asked. So RBI thus flags concerns over a few urban cooperative banks. So RBI sector showed improved financial performance at an aggregated level in the recent times. So cooperative bank, which is an institution established on a cooperative basis to deal with the ordinary banking business. Cooperative banks are founded by collecting fund through shares, accepting deposits and granting loans. So they are cooperative credit societies where members from a community group together to extend loans to each other at favorable terms. The cooperative banks are governed by Banking Regulation Act, Banking Laws Act, and they are classified as Urban Cooperative Bank and Rural Cooperative Bank. Urban Cooperative Bank is not actually formally defined but refers to the primary cooperative banks located in urban and semi-urban areas. Urban cooperative banks, primary agricultural credit societies, RRB and local area bank could be considered as differentiated bank because they operated in localized areas. Smooth operation of LAM critical to Aditya L1 success. So small but very powerful engine going to the LAM that have a critical role to play in the Aditya L1 mission, says by ISRO. So ISRO is a space agency under Department of Space of Government of India, and it has a headquarters in Bangalore, Karnataka. So Antrix Corporation Limited is a marketing arm of ISRO for promotion and commercial exploitation of space products, technical consultancy services. Its vision is to harness space technology for national development. ISRO is an Indian space agency formed in 1969 to assist in the development of indigenous space program, and it is currently one of the world's 6 largest space agencies. ISRO provides a service such as broadcasting, weather forecasting, disaster management, GIS, navigation, cartography, telemedicine and etc. Thank you.